This tree's oil-waterproofed Chinese ships for over 2,500 years. Meet the Tung Oil Tree, Vernicia fordii, a fast-growing subtropical beauty native to southern China, Myanmar, and northern Vietnam, whose seeds produce one of the finest natural drying oils the world has ever known. Tung seeds contain 30 to 40% oil, making this one of the highest-yield oilseed crops on the planet. When exposed to air, tung oil polymerizes into a hard, transparent, waterproof finish. Chinese sailors used it for centuries to coat the wooden hulls of their junks. In the early 1900s, the United States planted thousands of hectares of tung trees across Mississippi, Louisiana, and Florida to build its own tung oil industry. A single mature tree can produce 15 to 25 kilograms of fruit each year, yielding roughly 4 to 8 kilograms of oil. And it grows fast, up to 2 meters a year, reaching fruit-bearing maturity within 3 to 5 years. Plant your tung tree in late winter to early spring, after the last frost. It loves well-drained, slightly acidic soil, ideally a sandy loam with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Give it full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, and space trees 6 to 9 meters apart, so each one gets the light it needs. Do plant on well-drained slopes for erosion control. Don't plant in heavy clay or waterlogged ground because root rot will follow. And keep this tree away from children, pets, and livestock. Every part of it is toxic if eaten. For 2,500 years, this tree has given us a remarkable, renewable gift. The Tung Oil Tree reminds us that some of nature's finest technologies were here long before ours. Restore, protect, inspire.